Imagine being able to generate a month's worth of sales in just 24 hours. Imagine having the ability to on demand print money for your fashion brand. This is the power of knowing how to structure, prioritize, and run flash sales for a fashion brand. Literally, the idea of Black Friday, when you look at some of the world's best sportswear fashion brands, they literally go from the red to the black, aka positive, from negative to positive in the span of 48 hours simply by knowing how to structure flash sales. But does that mean that you can only run flash sales on Black Friday? Or is there a structure and a strategy that you can follow, like many brands have done before you, to do it effectively? That's exactly what we're going to be discussing in today's episode. What are we going to do right now is we're going to know how to create irresistible urgency with our flash sales. We're going to know how to choose the perfect pricing strategies so that we can generate as much profit as possible while still giving our customers a great deal. We're also going to know how to select the effective promotional channels for our flash sales so that they are dispersed or they are communicated to our customers as effectively as possible so people know about the flash sales. We're going to know how to avoid costly mistakes so that we don't just go into the red from actually being in the red the first time. We want to generate a profit. We want to make this move the needle forward, not just turn over inventory. Number one is that you need to set clear goals for what your flash sale is trying to achieve. In order to get where you're going, you need to know where you're going. This is the idea of setting a clear goal. Are you trying to move excess inventory? Are you trying to boost cash flow during a slow month or a slow period? And three, are you just trying to attract new customers or reward loyal ones that are coming back to you time and time again? Also, make sure to set specific goals of cash. What's your total revenue goal? Are you trying to achieve $5,000 in sales, $10,000 in sales? What products do you want to clear out? How many units do you have in inventory? How many sizes do you have in inventory? What colors are the ones that you want to move the most? Then three, are you trying to get new customers? How many new customers are you trying to get? Number two is that you need to pick your products very, very wisely. You need to make sure that first, which products you're selecting, are they high inventory items that you need to clear out, that you need to essentially turn over? Two, are they going to be popular products that are specifically geared towards attracting new customers that may have never heard of the brand before, that have always wondered and wanted to give your brand a chance, but have never actually taken the leap? Or three, are they limited edition products that are exclusive, that give customers an added sense of urgency and they can only get them today and right now? And oh, there's a flash sale as well. That's even more incentive to get these products. Number three, what's your pricing strategy? How are you going to run the flash sale? Is there going to be a specific percentage discount? Is it a simple discount of 30% off all leggings, 30% off all sports bras? Is it going to be a flat rate pricing? Is it $25 for everything here? Is it going to be a tiered discount incentive? So that way you incentivize customers to buy more, increasing the average basket size. Number four, now you have to create urgency. So there's three main ways to create urgency. Number one is limited time offers. So this discount or this flash sale is through the end of the month or through the end of the week or through the end of the next 24 hours because of XYZ. Give them a limited time window. If a flash sale goes on for an extended period of time, then there's no incentive there for customers to actually buy now. Two, give some sort of limited inventory or some sort of scarcity in the inventory. Perhaps you can have a counter that showcases how many stock units are left, or maybe you can have a pop-up that showcases to a customer how many units are left of a specific product, how many pieces are left. There's many plugins that you can look into simply by knowing that this product is finite and that we may not be able to get it tomorrow. This leads us to be more incentivized to take the plunge and to make the purchase today. Three, you can give exclusive access for your loyalty members, whether they're VIP customers, by giving customers a reward, by giving them access or early access to this flash sale, they're going to be more incentivized to take action. Because at the end of the day, the reason that a brand like Costco works really well is because yes, they have great product and they have essential or very, very well-known efficiencies in their system. But also the fact that you're already bought into the Costco membership program means that you are already spending XYZ amount of money every single month or every single year on your membership. So you might as well take advantage of what you've already spent. So you end up spending more on the products because you don't want to lose out or you don't want to waste what you've already purchased. Number five is now you need to promote your flash sale, because if no one knows about it, then what's the point? You can do this through email marketing. Definitely have an email that announces your sale in advance, and then maybe another email in the middle or 24 hours before it runs out. B is through SMS marketing. That's a great opportunity to do the same level of marketing that you've done with your email, but through SMS directly. C It can be through social media, through stories, through reels, through pinned posts, through highlights. D, through paid ads, whether it's through Facebook, through Instagram, through Google. Use paid ads to your advantage, especially the ones which you have the most amount of traction on, which means your customer avatar is spending the most amount of time there. All of this sounds perfect, but there are some costly mistakes you have to avoid before running your first flash sale. Number one is make sure you don't have insufficient inventory to meet most of the demand. Sure, you want to sell out, but you want to also satisfy customers. Two, make sure you have clear terms of service through your FAQs. Three, poor technical setup. If your website is unable to handle the level of traffic that's coming its way because of a specific spike in audiences, then that's pointless. You don't want your website to crash on the time where you need it to perform at its best. And then lastly, that you have weak urgency. If people don't know that there's flash sale, if people don't know why they should act now, then you're just going to end up with a flash sale where people all of a sudden have this idea of these massive discounts, but there's no urgency to take action today. And that's just gonna make your brand seem cheap. So you wanna make sure that you don't do it that often. This is a great opportunity for customers to get the deal of a lifetime. Flash sales are your magic weapon, or your ability to turn new customers into existing customers, and ultimately to make a slow month a fast month. Use them wisely, use them sparingly. If you want my personal opinion on how you can run your own flash sales effectively and strongly, then you can check the link in the description. I offer one-on-one consultation calls every single week. Slots are limited, but I'd be more than happy to help come up with a tailored program on how you can structure your own flash sales and when you should do it and how to structure it so that it's the most effective. And we put out content on a week-to-week basis, so there's plenty of content for you guys, whether it's paid or whether it's free. Guys, I say this from the very bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Fit Design TV. Until next week's episode, stay awesome.